Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World, okay? And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot cover this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends, okay? And friends, what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video like 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you come sequence wise, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 24th video, then 18 video, then 26 video, then 24th video, then 56 video, you can get confused, friends, okay? So, and before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, friends, okay? And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends, okay? It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE 1906, okay? So, in our last video, I've covered the topic called Are the subconscious mind and the soul the same? So, this was the video. And in today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called What is the function of the subconscious mind? Okay. So, let's see what is there here, right? And the video number is 115 video and the topic is what is the function of the subconscious mind. So, I will start, friends, okay? The subconscious mind is both your guarding light as well as your guiding light. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagri that the subconscious mind is both our guarding light as well as our guiding light. So our subconscious mind guards also and also guides also. So guard in the sense if we from evil, if some evil starts coming interferencing in our life, so our subconscious mind stand as a guard to fight with the evil, and in the same way parallelly our subconscious mind also guide us to follow the godly path, to follow the God's good laws, to be in a good, to do good karma in our life. So this is also the work of our subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so it serves as a spiritual radar. It warns you when you are about to make a choice that is spiritually wrong. Therefore, it guards your soul. So, here it works as a spiritual radar for us. So, it guides us that whenever we are going to make a wrong decision, so it guides us and makes us understand that there is quite possibility that you make a wrong decision. So, you do not make the wrong decision. It gives us warning, right? So, it's like a radar, right? But the spiritual path is not only about resisting temptation. It is not enough to stop yourself from doing wrong. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling the spiritual path is not only for resisting temptation, okay, and it is not only to stop yourself from doing wrong. That means if we decide that we are going to do wrong, the subconscious mind cannot stop us. Our subconscious mind only can show us the way. Our subconscious mind can only show us that way which is correct and which is wrong. Our subconscious mind can tell us among two ways which is the correct way, which is the more better way. Our subconscious mind can guide us, but ultimate the decision remains with us. It is our complete responsibility that whether we are going to accept that decision or whether we are going to reject that decision of our subconscious mind. So it completely depends upon us, friends, okay? More than anything, the path of God involves doing what is spiritually right. So, more than it involves that what we want to do and what is spiritually right. So, it is important for us to do what is spiritually right, and we should always do what is spiritually right, friends. Always follow God's path, help others. So, after guarding your soul by preventing it from taking the wrong action. So, our subconscious mind guards our soul and prevents us from taking the wrong action, friends. Okay. The subconscious mind guides you toward what is morally right. So our subconscious mind also guide us towards what is morally right and makes us understand what is morally right and what is morally wrong. And always our subconscious mind wants that we should follow the good godly path which is morally right, not morally wrong. So friends, this today's topic came to an end. So today in our today's video I've covered the topic called what is the function of the subconscious mind, and in tomorrow's video I'm going to cover the topic called, in our next video, is the subconscious mind the same as our conscious mind. So this is going to be the next topic. And friends, as I always say, this book is just long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. So, and you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906. If you have any doubt, directly ask me in the comment section, because I look all the comments and I give answer to all the comments. So friends, this brings to end of today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, be blessed, friends. God bless you.